Hey, Santa. Hey, douchebag. Where the fuck is my present?
You're Jewish.
I'm Jewish. Would you like to make a bet on that one?
I would like to make a girly
I will
bet.
be right back. Do not go anywhere. And you best not talk about me to the people.
Stupid boy, hey. I'm a Santa Claus.
You calling me Jewish with this leather? Nobody with this kind of leather is Jewish. We are Italians, Tony. Come on, Santa. You're not even the real Santa Claus. What are you doing? Now you better give me a present or else I'm gonna whack you, Tony. Come on, Tony. Give me my present. Yeah. What? That is not a present, Tony. I want my daughter.
Fucking you.
Where's my daughter, Tony? Where's my daughter? Where's my daughter? Where's my daughter?
I don't know.
Are you making love stains with my new daughter on my Cadillac? Damn it, Tony, what the hell is the matter with you? Mom! Make some pasta! I'm sick and tired of this motherfucker!